Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, I'm Marissa. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Coming at you live, no makeup, just got done with a facial, but I wanted to sit down and film this video for you guys. So today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing. You guys seem to really like my last luxury unboxing when I bought my Gucci slides, so I figured I would do another one. So I recently picked up something from Burberry the other day. Me and my friend went to the mall. I knew that I was gonna buy something. I was gonna buy a Gucci belt, but then I tried it on and I just didn't like it. I knew that that's gonna be a waste of my money. I would never wear it. And just a disclaimer, this video is not trying to brag at all. You guys really loved my Gucci unboxing, and since my channel is based on fashion mostly and lifestyle, I figured this would be really fun to do. So yeah. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the unboxing. So I picked something up from Burberry and I'm obsessed with it. It's right back here. And I bought it from Nordstrom's. I wish I bought it from Burberry, the store itself, because I kind of wanted the Burberry bag so I can like hang it up because I'm extra. But I bought it at Nordstrom's and you guys are gonna freak out. It's so cute. I did buy this with my own money. I saved up, I have a job, I work at Steve Madden, so I have saved up my money to buy luxury items. I love luxury items. That's like what I like to splurge on. I love to spend my money on luxury items. We all have something. Like, you might like buying shoes, you might like buying jewelry, makeup. I like designer items. That's just it. So this is my Burberry box right here. So this is the box right here. I bought some sneakers and I'm truly obsessed. So I'm gonna open the box here. As you see, it's nicely wrapped, whether you go to Burberry or Nordstrom's, Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's, it's gonna be nicely wrapped wherever you go. So it has this cute like mint green little Burberry pouch. Just looks like this. And let's open this bad girl up. She's not a bad boy, she's a bad girl, okay? She's a baddie. And this is what the sneakers look like in here. So I kind of cheated and I kind of wore them today. You will see it in an upcoming vlog. So the bottoms are a little dirty, but I stuffed them back up for you guys. But when you get them, or if you buy them, they're obviously gonna come stuffed with paper to keep them nice and clean and together and in shape. And I had the guy relace my laces regularly. They had like the speed lace and I just didn't like it, so I had him lace them regularly. But this is what they look like. Super cute. It has that Burberry plaid pattern, or gingham pattern as you will, and they're so cute. I did try on like the black and white ones, but I fell in love with these. These go with literally anything. It's awesome. I love the back of them. It says Burberry in like little, I don't know, this like 3D whatever. Anyways, I love these sneakers. They're so comfy, they're so cute, they're so me. They go with literally anything: black, white, gray, blue, pink, purple, mauve. Like, it's awesome. And I like that I can wear them year round since they're a nude color. They have a little bit of red, a little bit of white, a little bit of a grayish tone, a little bit of black. So these are good for fall, winter, spring, and summer because they're all like neutral tones. You know I love my neutral tones, my nudes, you know? So the fact that it's neutral tones really spoke to me, and that's why I was like really drawn to them. And I just like that I can wear them year round no matter what. It's not like a pink shoe that I probably won't wear in fall. So I think these were perfect and I love them. I'm gonna grab my phone real quick just to tell you all about them, how much they retail for, and then we'll hop into the try-on part. So these are called the Vintage Check and Leather Sneakers, and they retail for $450 plus tax. So tax in Arizona, I think it came out to around $486 if you live in Arizona and is wondering. Our archival vintage check detailed with smooth leather accents and a logo tagged ankle cuff. So it is leather, which is nice. It's a little bit easier to keep clean, to clean them, which is nice. And then I think this is like cloth right here. So it says upper 60% cotton, 40% calf leather. So lining is 100% sheep leather, sole 100% polyurethane. Lace-up closure, raised Burberry lettering at heel, and made in Italy. So, yeah, they retail for $450 plus tax. I love them. I really wanted Gucci ones, but those are more expensive, and I fell in love with these. Burberry is making a comeback. Don't sleep on them. I've loved Burberry for years, ever since I was a little kid. Me and my best friend Gina would go into the Burberry store with her mom, and they would like know her there, and they would give us like little gifts. It was so cute. So I've always been obsessed with Burberry. Thanks to Mama Tree, I've always had Burberry in my life, you know? So don't sleep on them. They're making a comeback. They're really underappreciated, I feel like everyone's so hyped on Gucci and Louis and Chanel. Everyone forgets the good old Burb. So we love a good Burb, all right? We love her, she's a baddie, and yeah. So this is like the look that I'm wearing with it. It's just a big t-shirt with some biker shorts. And I think that it just goes so well and it's so cute. Anyways, I guys really enjoyed this luxury unboxing. Let me know down below if you want to see more. Give it a big thumbs up if you want to see more of these videos whenever I do buy something luxury. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below. We're almost to 600. Thank you so much. I love you guys. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.